Hey guys, so if Quest Pro 2 is not updating and Quest 2 is not updating and you would like to do it, what you can try to do is that you can do soft reset. So you want to go into Oculus app on your phone and tap on settings. Is the Quest showing as connected? If so, you want to power the Quest off completely, plug in the charger, and at the same time press power and volume up at the same for 2 seconds. And this should bring the menu in a headset. Hold down power and volume up again if it says no command, at which point a list should pop up. Choose a reboot to boot loader and then choose a sideload update and your Quest 2 display will go dark. Don't worry, it's just performing a reset. With a soft reset, you don't lose any files. And once it turns back on, go to settings, about, and it should have a button saying start update or update available. Click that and you are set.